All right, so this is part 2 of the video. So in part 1, this is what we come up with the solutions. You can, so these one, we already mentioned in the previous videos, but if you want to make it pretty, like shorter, you can do something like this, pretty much the same. This one using iteration as we're using a while loop. So they have a follow questions that if a linguist, can we do that recursively? So let's try doing that recursively. Next thing we're gonna do, I'm gonna create a helper function called helper, and then this one self, and this one will be same thing. We're gonna have previous, and we have the current node. So we're gonna call the recursion functions, and we're gonna do self helper. So at the beginning, the previous will be none, and the current will be whatever the head is pointing to. So if not current, this one means if the current is none, something like this. And what we're gonna do, we're gonna return the previous. Pretty much, let us separate that. Pretty much is doing this part, returning this. So in here, we have to return them as well. This one return the head to the helper function, return the head, the new head to the reverse list, and the reverse list also return a new head to whatever it's called. So if it's not returning, meaning if the current node is not none, what we're gonna do, we're gonna do next node, which means this part equal to current dot next. This is exactly this part, right? And then we have the current dot next we to the previous node. This one, pretty much the same thing. And then it's come to the recursion function. We're gonna call the recursion functions. So the previous will become current, and the current become, oops, not current dot next, but next node. So the currents, so in the next recursive call, we're gonna read previous node will become the current node, and the current node is actually the next node. So pretty much this part is this recursion function. All right, let's test it out. Okay, so that's it for this video.